is it any wonder that I love him when you consider all he's done for me? And is it any wonder that I want to do his will and let his light shine out for all to see? And is it any wonder that I praise him each time I think of how he set me free?
This is the music station of ABS-CBN. MOR, my only radio.
Kasakit sa ulo na akong...
Greg, may work pa. I-Biogesic mo na yan.
Tambalda yun? Basta na ay side effects?
Iba ang Biogesic. Most doctor-prescribed brand sa sakit ng ulo at lagnat.
Uy, maampingon gyud di ay.
Jody Santa Maria po. Sa sakit ng ulo o lagnat, Biogesic agad. Alagang Unilab yan. Paracetamol is a generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Paolo Avelino po. Body pain can stop you from doing your best. Salon Pass with direct ingredient penetration, fast acting within 30 minutes, long-lasting relief up to 8 hours for shoulder, neck, and back pain. Salon Pass.
Methyl salicylate, menthol, tocopherol acetate, camphor is a generic name of Salon Pass. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
It's me, your auntie!
Idol Melay para sa Rexidol Forte.
Mas bilis banat sa binat at sabay-sabay na sakit. Binat na may sakit ng ulo o sakit ng katawan na may lagnat. Kahit 1, 2, 3 o 4 ang nagsabay, char yan.
Idol!
Ang idol ko, Rexidol Forte. Mas bilis banat sa 4. Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol caffeine is a generic name of Rexidol Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Hi, I'm Dulce, your Asia's power singing diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Coco Martin po, certified Argentina corned beef lover. Kasi naman, ang hibla, malaman. Made with 100% real beef pa. At masarap talaga.
TRPS2.
Hinahanap kita. Sarap ng Argentina. Sa presyong abot kaya, promise. Busog ang araw-araw ko. As part of 3 complete meals.
Hello mga big winner nga breadwinners. Si Melay Cantiveros Francisco ni. Sama nimo, breadwinner sab ko. Ginasiligan sa pamilya. Kalipay nako ang makahatag sa panginahanglanon sa akong mga mahal sa kinabuhi. Busa, bisag daghang mga pagsulay nga maagian, kaya ra. Tungod kay na ako'y ginasaligan nga power cells. Aron magpabiling ligon og masalig